Why CSPOs are critical for successful Agile transformations. Agile transformations require a major shift in how organizations think and work. They must also change how they deliver products. They are not just about adopting frameworks like Scrum or Kanban. Aligning business goals with Agile practices. A major challenge in Agile transformations is aligning business strategy with Agile execution. The CSPO bridges this gap by clearly communicating business goals and product vision to the development team. Maximizing value delivery. The CSPO is uniquely positioned to maximize value delivery, a core principle of Agile. By managing the product backlog effectively, CSPOs prioritize user stories and features by their business value, customer feedback, and market trends. Championing customer centricity. Agile transformations emphasize placing the customer at the center of product development. CSPOs embody this principle by acting as the voice of the customer in every phase of product development. Facilitating collaboration and communication. Successful Agile transformations need seamless collaboration and communication. This must occur between stakeholders, teams, and customers. The CSPO plays a key role in facilitating this by serving as a liaison between the business and technical teams. Driving adaptability and change. Agile transformations thrive on adaptability. It's the ability to respond to change quickly and effectively. The CSPO ensures adaptability by regularly revisiting and refining the product backlog based on changing priorities. The impact of CSPOs on Agile success. Improved product quality. CSPOs help teams build better, more user-friendly products. They do this by valuing customer needs and feedback, faster time to market. Clear priorities let teams deliver work faster. Higher ROI. Value-driven development focuses on high-impact initiatives. It ensures resources are well spent. Greater stakeholder satisfaction. Regular communication and alignment keep stakeholders informed and engaged. Conclusion. In conclusion, Agile transformations are complex. They require a rethink of processes, mindsets, and value delivery. At the heart of this transformation lies the Certified Scrum Product Owner, CSPO. CSPOs ensure Agile projects succeed